How to duplicate a VSTi track and work even faster in Logic Pro X. And this isn't always obvious, and it sounds like I'm saying something really basic, but check it out. I have a contact plugin, for instance, and the contact plugin has a lot of different kits in it, and I've laid the drums in here so far. Now I duplicate this, I move this down to the new one, which is still on the same kit. Now I go back up to this one, and I can go to a different part of this. Let's say now this is risers and falls. So I can start adding my risers and falls. Okay, so now we can do that again. Duplicate, bring that down, go back up, and now I want to add some of my tribal sounds. Etc., etc. You get it. That's how you become more efficient by duplicating your VSTi layers and keep working in the same instance in Logic Pro X.